Welcome to my comprehensive review of 8Fit, a fitness and wellness platform designed to help users improve their health through personalized workouts and meal planning. In this video, I'll explore the app's layout, key features, and overall user experience. As you land on the 8Fit homepage, the design is clean and modern, immediately inviting users to start their health journey. The website highlights the app's primary value propositions: personalized meal plans, quick and efficient workouts, and lifestyle coaching. Navigation is straightforward, with clearly labeled tabs for workouts, nutrition, and wellness tips. Signing up is a simple process where you're guided through a short quiz to assess your fitness level, dietary preferences, and health goals. This step feels personal, giving users a sense of being catered to right from the start. Once inside, the dashboard becomes your central hub. It's intuitive and filled with useful features like daily workout suggestions, progress tracking, and meal prep tips. The workout section is a standout feature. 8Fit offers a variety of routines tailored to different fitness levels, from beginner-friendly exercises to more advanced challenges. Workouts are short but effective, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. The videos are professional, easy to follow, and often come with modifications for those who need lower impact options. Moving to the nutrition section, 8Fit shines with its personalized meal plans. Recipes are designed to be simple yet nutritious, catering to various dietary needs such as vegan, vegetarian, or gluten-free. Ingredients are easy to find, and the instructions are clear, even for novice cooks. The app also helps you plan your grocery shopping, which is a thoughtful addition. One area where 8Fit could improve is the limited availability of advanced metrics for serious fitness enthusiasts. For example, it lacks detailed tracking for metrics like heart rate or integration with popular fitness wearables. The app focuses on holistic health, which is great for general users, but may feel limiting for those looking for in-depth analytics. Another point worth mentioning is that while the free version offers decent content, many of the more robust features are locked behind a premium subscription. For users willing to invest, the premium plan does provide excellent value, but it might deter those looking for a fully free experience. Overall, 8Fit is an excellent tool for beginners or intermediate users seeking a well-rounded approach to fitness and wellness. It's convenient, user-friendly, and genuinely feels like a personal coach in your pocket. If you're looking for an app to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, 8Fit is worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews, and hit the like button if you found this helpful.